Bitcoin price could reach $45,000 by Christmas 2023, Matrixport. When Bitcoin's performance is positive in January, the rally tends to continue, the report said. U.S. institutions have probably been behind January's rally in Bitcoin, BTC, which saw the cryptocurrency gain more than 38%, and an outperformance this early in the year tends to be bullish for the token's price, crypto services provider Matrixport said in a research report Wednesday. In 5 of the 6 years that Bitcoin has rallied in January, the cryptocurrency has ended the year with positive returns. On average, the gain the rest of the year has been more than 245%, wrote Markus Thielen, head of research. The only year that Bitcoin declined after a strong January was 2014, when prices had just made a bull market peak, the note said. Matrixport says the driver of the 2023 bull market could be the expected March 2020 for Bitcoin halving cycle, when the amount of the cryptocurrency entering the system every 10 minutes drops by 50%. Therefore, there is a high statistical probability that the Bitcoin price could double from here until year-end, the report said. This means the Bitcoin price could reach $45,000 by Christmas, the report added.